Hello po! Late feedback but really enjoyed their stay in your flat. The host is very accommodating and fast responding. The amenities, unit, and staff are also great. Thank you! Would recommend to others and would definitely come back. Uy! Hello po, Miss Miela! Maraming salamat po sa inyong napakagandang feedback. So we're so happy to hear that you really enjoyed your stay sa aming flat and nakakatuwa pong malaman na na-enjoy ninyong unit, amenities, pati na rin ang warm and accommodating service ng aming staff. So, isa po sa mga goals namin sa Villarica Flats ay ang mag-provide ng relaxing, hassle-free at sulit experience for all our guests. Kaya nakakataba ng puso na marinig na we have achieved that with you. It was truly a pleasure to host you and we're so excited to welcome you back anytime. So sa mga naghahanap ng perfect staycation spot, whether for family bonding, romantic getaway, or chill na break from the city, Villarica Flats is here for you. Kaya naman tara na sa Villarica Flats at maranasan ng staycation with comfort and style. See you again soon!